Alaikum, good morning. Jai Sri Ram. Today I have brought up the difference between linear filler and rotary filler. So whenever your company asks you that we have to procure filler or we have to procure filling line, then this question, especially from the supplier, purposely asked that whether we should go for the linear filler or the rotary filler. So we should know the basic differences between these two, and that will help us to select filling line. So here I have noted 6 differences that I am sharing with you. The first one is rotary filler generally fill based on the weight of the liquid, whether linear filler fills the bottle based on the volume. The second difference, since it is weight based, that's why there are less chances of weight variation. Whether in the linear filler, since it is filled, it is based on the volume. So whenever you fill, if the temperature change, your volume will change and subsequently the weight will be changed. Somewhere, some places it has been observed that the weight variation is up to 1%. Then the third difference is filling and capping. Usually in the same block, if you are using the rotary filler, you will see the filler and capper at the same block, and there are less chances of the filled bottle to interact with the air. There are less chances to react with the air. That is save the quality of the oil. But in the linear filler, the filler and capper, there is distance between these two, and the bottles are conveyed through the conveyor. So maybe there are chances that oil react with the air or may get oxidized. Then the fourth difference is rotary machine have consistent throughput. Rotary, usually if you are running, if you have seen this, then the production per hour usually consistent. There is no difference hour by hour. But in linear filler, there are chances because conveyors, many conveyor stops. Due to the stoppage of the conveyor, there are chances that there may be production per hour difference. Then the fourth one is usually rotary filler is costly. Rotary fillers are costly just because of the highly sophisticated parts of the machine. Linear filler, since it is simple machine and easy to operation, that's why their cost usually cheaper comparing to the rotary filler. Then the last one is that every packaging product, that means in the product changeover, you need changeover parts for each items. But in the linear filler, changeover parts are very, but in rotary filler, each part has to change. So the changeover less expensive, faster and simple in the linear filler, whether in the rotary filler it is difficult. You may think that why I have compared the both filling system. It is an obvious understanding that if you want higher speed, you should go the rotary, and with the limited speed there is linear. But now linear filler speed has been grown up, has been increased, and some company also produces the rotary filler with lower or medium speed. So these are the 6 differences that I have been observed. But if you know more than that, you are requested to please comment so that not only me, my audience will see it. That's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.